All right, everybody, welcome. So we're gonna start doing the grid for our design here. I printed out like a bunch of different pictures, but I found this one of Mike Tyson that I'm gonna use for my design. So first off, I just wanna show you this, which is kind of our guide. This gives you the step-by-step of how to do this so that you understand where we're going with it. The first thing is making a light line. That makes it easy to erase. The second thing is 1-inch grid, and then on the drawing paper is a 2-inch grid, and then we're gonna label the boxes. So we're gonna go through all of these steps on this page right here. So the first step, it says, draw a 1-inch grid on the reference. So this is my reference. I'm gonna take my ruler, and all I'm gonna do is just kind of line it up right here. And once I have that, I'm just gonna make 1-inch marks, and I'm gonna mark at the 1 on my ruler, just like this. Every 1 inch, I'm just gonna hold it and just kind of make a mark. You could hold your paper and do this, whatever way works for you to kind of just get everything on there. And that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, what you're gonna wanna do next is take your ruler and slide it to the top. And once you slide it to the top, you're gonna do the same thing again. Oops, not there. 1 inch, 1 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that you have these two, what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take this and you're gonna line everything up. This is gonna help you keep your grid on point so that it's not like off by a little bit. And as I'm looking at this, it feels like I might already have a little bit of a mistake. No, let's see this one. Okay, I think we're good. So this is gonna line up with this one. Then I'm just kind of making my lines connect from the top to the bottom, just like this. So every 1 inch, I'm just connecting the lines vertically. Right. Okay, so that's my first side right there. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my paper and I'm gonna turn it vertical like this. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side where I'm gonna make my 1-inch marks. I'm gonna line up my ruler so it's lined up with the edge of my paper. And then at the 1, I'm just gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now, one of the things that you might notice is that there's a little bit of a sliver that's extra there. This is going to be, the actual measurement of the picture is 8.5. So you might have a half there. That bottom part we're gonna cut off of our design, so don't worry about it. So next, I'm just gonna go right here and line it up the same way. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the half. And then I'm just gonna line these up just like I did with the opposite side. All right, and then there we have our grid. Now the next thing that you want to do is just label the boxes so it makes sense. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So right there you have the first part of your grid set up, and this is what you're gonna be using to kind of draw on your bigger paper. Remember to follow the guide, and the next thing we're gonna do is start to set up the actual paper we're gonna draw on.